Egress rescue bottom height should be set so firefighters or neighbors can reach and lift a trapped occupant out of a window without excessive risk. The common thumb rule for rescue is to keep the egress window sill no higher than 44 inches above the finished floor so a rescuer can reach down and secure a person for extraction. Measure from the finished floor to the interior face of the window sill and document that dimension during rough framing inspections and again at final trim to avoid surprises. For bedrooms used for sleeping, designate windows that are sized and located to allow both self-rescue and assisted rescue, which means minimum clear opening dimensions and the lower sill height combined matter. If a required window will sit higher because of site grade or architectural design, add a permanently fixed ladder or an approved step device outside the window well that does not obstruct the opening. When wells are deeper than the comfortable reach of a rescuer, consider an egress ladder with a top rung within reach of the windowsill, and that is high enough to allow a rescuer to brace and lift. Use solid measurements rather than assumptions and keep proof of compliance in the homeowner file so firefighters and code officials have immediate reference. 3 frequent mistakes include assuming code only, building a window at a comfortable floor measurement without confirming final finished thickness, and relying on temporary or removable aids that are not available in an emergency. First, people assume a single code minimum applies universally, even though local amendments can change limits, so verify your jurisdiction and record the specific allowed sill height. Second, framing to a rough opening but not accounting for flooring, underlayment, and window trim can raise the finished sill above the intended limit, so always add the finished stack-up into your measured target. Third, installing decorative or removable steps and covers that are taken away in normal use kills the rescue function, so use permanently attached ladders or integrated well steps that remain accessible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where people share field experience about items like egress sill heights and ladder options. We help contractors find project leads and let homeowners compare practical advice and real-world solutions.